Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from xking.com hit you with another video. In today's video, I was going through Reddit and I saw this person had a particular question, which I answered. But the question was, they sent the first email out and they got that marked as spam. Aweber and other autoresponders, when you send emails out, somebody can complain and they can mark it as spam, and you get a spam score against you. And you get too many of those, they can just destroy your account. They can just wipe it out without you knowing. And it happened to me before with Get Response. My first autoresponder was Get Response. I was young, I didn't know what I was doing. I get these spam all the time. And one day I woke up, my account was gone. It just disappeared. And they told me they had too much spam. So what can you do to reduce or stop the spam comments? So number one, what I would do for the scam comments, I would go through and clean out your list. Get out that dead emails on your list. I would clean it out. If they haven't opened an email in 2-3 months, I'll go ahead and just delete them. You want a clean list, okay? You want a nice clean list, everyone's active. Number two, what I would do is your emails, make sure that it don't sound spammy. Maybe, what I would do is just throw some test emails out there, and I was email them, say, hey, this email, this ask how you were doing, that's a, from I'm Todd xking.com. Just thank you for being a loyal subscriber and hope you have a good day. Just send that test email out, send 2 or 3 of those out there and see who opened. What you also could do is on that spam report, you can see who opened your emails. So, if your response rate is high, you might have 40 to 100 people, on that list. So what you could do is throw them test emails out and see to make sure that this person is not doing on purpose. So, so you throw like 3 or 4 test emails out. Just say, hey, how you doing? Hope you have a good day. God bless you, whatever, just some small like that. Throw it out there, see what happens, and see who bites. And also every email you report who opened it, what bounced, whatever. So you can see who opened your email. You can see email that opened your email. So what you can do is, copy and paste that list of people who opened the email, right? And then if it happens again, see who opened the email again. You can narrow it down to those people. So, throw test emails out there and see who's really doing it. And maybe you might narrow it down to maybe 30 or 40 people. At this point, if they're just spamming it, you might have to let 30 or 40 people go, because you don't know who's doing it and they're costing you your list. Another thing what you do is, if you get these complaints, if you got one complaint, it's one too many, I will go ahead and download your list. I will every week or every 2 weeks, I would download a PDF file of all the email addresses on my list to have a copy. And maybe twice a month you do this. So every other week you will refresh so you download your whole list to a PDF file, have all the email addresses to your list, just in case they do decide to destroy or wipe out your account. You at least have the email addresses, and you could port those to another autoresponder as well, to be on the safe side. You want to be safe than sorry. You know who's doing it. There's really much you can do about it. Just that, see who opened your email, and you can see, so let's say if 30 people who clicked on the email, but somebody complain, you could go through each person and see how many times they open the email, and if they're really frequent, that maybe the person who did it or the person who least frequent is going to complain. So it's hard to find. You can narrow it down some, but you really can't narrow it down who's doing it. There may be options nowadays where you can see who complained on your email and let them go, because they're costing you your email list. So you might have to let them go that way. I'm not 100% sure, but make sure that you have a PDF file of all your email list addresses, and make sure you have the links that you use that they opt into it, because these new when you go to a new autoresponder, you need your list and you need the link they use to get the to import them. So get a copy of that list, narrow it down, clean your list, see who opened your email, because sometimes you might have 5 opens. Sometimes I have 9 people on my list, I might have 10 opens. If I get 2 complaints, I'll just go ahead and bite the bullet and just delete those, because I mean, the one time is fine. The one time is cool. One time is not gonna bother you. It happens to me every once in a while. You get one, but if you're having 2 or 3, and it's really frequent, or every once in a while, you need to take concern and writing those email addresses down or copy and pasting them on a spreadsheet and let them go, because they're costing you money anyway. They're gonna destroy your online business, because you got to go through all your landing pages and change your landing page link from a different autoresponder. It's going to set you back a ways. So I'd rather take 30, 20, 40 people off my list to keep me being safe. So that's what I would do. I would clean my list, take the day emails out, throw some test emails out there, see who complain about it. And on your first complaint, copy and paste the emails, who opened the email, and keep it on file, keep it on record. Because if the same email you have another complaint, and the same emails on that other spreadsheet you copied, it may be that person, or it may be just 5 people. So let's say you send the email out to 800 people. Let's say 30 of them opened the email. You got a complaint. Copy and paste those email addresses on a spreadsheet, have for the future. The next time you email out, maybe 3 weeks from now, 2 weeks from now, you get another complaint. Okay, let's download who opened the emails up. And those people, or if somebody's on the first list or the second list, 9 times out of 10, that's the one person that's complaining. I'll just delete them. Just get them off, because they're just costing your business. They're just a nuisance. They're just complaining customer. All this. So I'll let them go. I'll let them go to save my list. So that's it for the video. When you set up an autoresponder, make sure that you back up your list. You make sure that you're safe and protected. To make sure that your email is not spammy, it's not being mean or derogatory. You make sure that you open. So you have 5 people open your email and you have a complaint. It's one of the 5 people. I will delete all of them and move on to somebody else. Move on. Just move on, because don't take that chance that person do it again and you're back to square one trying to figure out who did it. So that's what I would do. And I use Aweber, and Aweber, it tells you, you can see over the email, and you can see, what time they opened it up and when they opened it and what they did with it. So delete them. Just delete them. Find who did it and delete them. Delete 30, 20 people to save your list. I'll do it. I don't need you on my list and you're going to do that to me. So that's what I would do. So, yeah, I use Aweber. If you're looking for autoresponder to start with, I use Aweber. They're a good company. And I have a link below the video. You want to get into Aweber. And yeah, just back up your list as much as you can. Clean your list. Send good quality emails. Nothing spammy. And download your list. That's the most important thing, because maybe, one day you wake up, it's all gone. But at least I have that PDF file, all my email addresses. I have the link to the landing page where they came from. So I go to the autoresponder, get the free trial, and go on from there. So that's it for my video. Thank you for watching my video. If you want Aweber for autoresponder, which they're pretty good, I have a link below the video for that as well. And you want to make money online with an online business with free affiliate training, below the video, I have a link to that as well. TyForSking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share my video, or just like it, whatever you choose. See you next time.